Okay, so I took the chicken out and it's over here in the bowl. I got my onions in here going. Just gonna work on this for a minute and get all these onions sauteing in this chicken, the chicken juice. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of my chicken stock. Now remember, I'm using leftovers for my dinner today. So I've got some chicken stock left. And I will use what's left in that with some water and add it to my rice here in a couple minutes. So I'm just scraping up the bottom. All right, so I got this cooking pretty good here. Now I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of my brown rice, and that's, I've got my flexible prep bowl here. These silicone prep bowls are absolutely amazing. They are dishwasher safe, microwave safe. You can melt your chocolate in here, butter, whatever. They're actually oven safe. I'm not sure why, but they are. So I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the brown rice, which means I'm going to use 2 cups, about 2 cups of a liquid. So I'll let that get browning, and I'm going to get my liquid. Alright, so I'm going to add this. Let me show you what we're looking at. What we look like. Okay. So here's the camera. Sorry about that. All right. So I'm not going to add the vegetables in just yet because I don't want my broccoli to look all brown. And but I am going to add the chicken back in here, but I'm going to get this to a nice boil, get it to a nice simmer before I put it on the base. And that shouldn't take but just a couple of minutes.